everybody, are you sick of your cooking utensils being all over the drawers and making a mess and not being able to close the drawers? Well, I was just gifted this magnetic cooking utensil set, so that way I can test it, I can try it, and I can show you all how it works. So you are going to get 5 of the most popular cooking utensils and a magnetic holder. Go ahead and peel off the 3M tape. Stick it on a convenient place on your wall or your stove. Now look at this. Guys, these are magnetic. I mean, look at how easy this is. And then when you're ready to cook, just go ahead and take whichever one you want, and just to let you know, they are magnetic on top and all through here. And guys, these can go into heat up to 446 degrees, and they can go into the dishwasher. And guys, these are made out of a food grade silicone, and they will not scratch your pots and pans. They're going to be especially useful for cast iron. This company, we certainly knew what they were doing when they created these. So guys, if you are looking for a space saving way to hang your utensils and just have them right at your fingertips, you're definitely going to want to check this out. I think that this is absolutely genius.